Welcome back, my dear teachers and viewers. And this today's episode, we will see how to mix questions from prepaid assignments. Suppose you have created a number of assignments, and now I just think as you have given almost all the types of questions in those assignments. Now you want to mix those questions from different assignments and create a new assignment. So this is absolutely you can do in Google assignment sheets. So for that, what we have to do, and today's tutorial will be based on that. So before starting the tutorial, I sincerely request all of you, those who have new or those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and share the topic if you like, and it may help others also, those who are facing problems due to this lockdown and those who are willing to go for online classes, right? So let's begin the class. Okay, let us take, I have opened here one assignment which I created earlier. Now what I want to do is I want to add questions from different assignments, not from one assignment but from different assignments, and want to create a new assignment for the students. Instead of creating new again and again and again, what I can do, I can mix the questions from different previously made assignments, and I can bring them into one assignment so that there will be a kind of change in that. So to do that, what you have to do is, as we know that our assignments are stored in Google Drive, right, in the respective folders. So it is not necessary that you open your class and then go to the Google Drive and do all those stuff. You can go to your Google Drive, open the folder, and then open the assignment where you want to do the mix-ups, right? Now this is previously made assignment, and I want to add some questions from different other assignments, right? So what I will do is I will click on this import questions button, right? Remember, one more thing I want to tell you, suppose you want to merge two different assignment sheets into one, then also you can do with this option, right? So this will not only give you to select a specific types of questions, this will give you the flexibility to select all the questions from that assignment, right? So what we have to do is first click on import question, then the dialog box will open. Now here you will see your pre-prepared assignments, right? All the assignments. So I am taking one assignment, this one, quiz 8B. So I clicked on that, then I am clicking on select button, right? Then after selecting the button, on the right hand side pane, I will get all the questions from that form, right? There are two types of questions. One is simplify, which is a multiple choice question, and other one is take the right option, right? So there are two questions in that assignment. So if I want to take all the questions, then I will click on select all. Or if I want to take only one type of question, that is suppose this one, then I will click on select all, then import question one, right? I have to click on this option, right? Once I click, see that question is added. Now this is a new assignment, right? Again, suppose I want to add question from some other form, all the questions from some other form. So what I will do, I will go and click it again, click the same button, import questions. Then after clicking on that, suppose I will take some other question, suppose this one, demo one, I am taking. Then I will click on select. I will get all the questions here. So here I'm clicking select all. By that, what happens, all the questions from that particular assignment will come into will merge with my assignment, the current assignment, right? So import questions, all four questions are imported, right? So this way I can take advantage of this option to creating my new assignments from different assignment sheets, right? So definitely a stage will come where you will feel this thing. You want to capture the questions from different assignments, and you want to create a new assignment, right? Instead of typing the whole thing, you just, what you can do is you can go you can navigate through the forms, and you can select your types of questions and can merge them into one assignment sheet, and then after that you can assign those sheet to anyone, right? So I hope this will help you a lot. Thank you very much for watching.